Let's go to Mombasa now, where two suspected thieves were gunned down at Mbaraki after locals alerted police officers when they saw the men confronting a night guard at around 2 a.m. this morning. Police on patrol got to the scene and found the guard injured and lying unconscious on the ground. The police then gave a chase, and when the suspects refused to surrender, they were fatally shot at. Somali sword and machete and a toy gun were recovered at the scene.
As we speak now, we are now looking for the person who escaped, although the other person who was at the kiosk is at the hospital and is recovering well. We will continue with this operation until this place remains calm, because these thugs have been terrorizing us for some time now.
To the